In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page on your desktop. Whether you're looking to promote your business, share your creative work, or simply connect with a wider audience, creating a dedicated Facebook page is a fantastic way to start. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Facebook website and log in to your account. If you aren't already logged in, just enter your credentials as you normally would. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it, and a small drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select the option that says See All Profiles. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your profiles and pages. Now, look for the button that says Create Page. It's usually prominently displayed, and clicking this will initiate the page creation process. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices. You can either create a public page or upgrade an existing Facebook profile to a page. Choose the option that best suits your needs. For most people, starting with a public page is the way to go, especially if you're looking to reach a broader audience. After making your selection, click on Next. This will guide you through a series of prompts that help you set up your new page. You'll see a button that says Get Started. Click this to continue. Now, it's time to set up your page. Here, you'll be asked to fill in some essential details about your page. This includes the page name, category, and a brief description of what your page is about. Make sure to choose a name that clearly represents what your page is all about, and pick a category that accurately reflects the content or business type. The description should be concise but informative, giving potential followers a clear idea of what to expect. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. This is an important step to ensure everything is accurate and represents your brand or interest correctly. When you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click on Create Page. And just like that, you've created a Facebook page from your desktop. Remember, a Facebook page is a powerful tool for building a community and engaging with people who share similar interests. Regularly update your page with fresh content and respond to your audience to keep them engaged. Thanks for watching and happy creating.